Hey, what's up, e-commerce store owners? My name is Sylvester Da Costa, and I just finished the 10-day life challenge yesterday. So, on this video, I'll just be sharing some updates about what I learned, what has my journey been so far. Okay, so I will just talk about that. So, before that, about me, I have been working in the field of e-commerce for more than 4 years. For more than 3.5 years, I've been working as a hardcore developer, working with like coding using so the main technologies that I worked with was Magento, and on the side I used to also work with WooCommerce and other technologies. So even I worked with some other technologies which were not even heard, and there were some even core e-commerce projects that I worked with. So apart from that, about me, I was mostly um, so when we start working for e-com as a coder, we generally tend to become quite we are more stuck to our computer screens, and we always in our own world. We get the tasks, we know what we have to do and we just do it. So I realized I needed to break away from that. So, inside all of us, we all have that entrepreneurial spirit where we all want to do something more than what we are currently doing, and everyone wants to leave a mark on the world. Especially for me, I wanted to leave a mark on this world. So I was just trying to figure out like what I want to do, and I realized that the people who actually leave a big mark are the ones who solve big problems. So then what I did was I started going through just recapping through my 4 years of journey, and I started seeing what are the problems that actually e-commerce store owners are facing. And I saw that with respect to their stores, the biggest problem that they were facing was with their cart, their checkout, like conversion of these two things. That was one of the by far the biggest problem. It was so big that the e-commerce industry, it was the problem was worth $4 trillion. At least minimum $4 trillion are lost every year because of the problem in cart and checkout. Okay, so people are abandoning their carts and not checking out. So that was one of the biggest problems that the store owners were facing, and they were losing out money on that. So I decided like to explore this field, and not just explore. I fell in love with this. I was like studying it, and I started providing value to e-commerce store owners, and I started learning more and more as I started exploring this field. So whenever now when it came to building stores also, I would incorporate these features. I've so what I now and what I was seeing on the outside was mostly people were talking about CRO, that is optimization, conversion rate optimization. But I actually noticed that the problem was not in tweaking the colors. Surely it does affect to a percentage, but the main problem was the way the customers had to be acquired, and they had to be acquired profitably. Anybody can acquire a customer. You can even spend $100 and acquire a customer for $20 product, but that does not mean you will be profitable. So like I saw many store owners even going bankrupt, or we like there were a lot of problems. So I saw that this was one of the biggest problems that people are facing, when it came to their stores. So building stores is not hard, but building stores that can convert and like which have high conversion rate was the challenge. So and to build these stores, it also required certain elements. So that is what I was just providing value every day, just whatever, like the way I can provide value to e-commerce store owners. So my as I move ahead from now on, I want to actually go to I want to cross actually the next 100 days for continuous posting of content with respect to this field, e-commerce, and the problems that are being faced by e-commerce store owners. So it's like a mini consultative thing. Like I just want to share more and more things, whatever I'm learning. I'm constantly putting upgrading myself, trying to learn new things, and it also helps me to share this information with you all. And I hope it helps you all also. If you all need more information, you all can always reach out to me for private consultations, or even if you want to discuss about e-commerce stores, or how to build profitable, or if you already have a e-commerce store, then how to make it more profitable. You know, the most common thing that people are not talking about is when people are spending money and they are bringing traffic to the stores, and they and you know, like the average e-commerce conversion rate for any store currently, the average rate is around 1 to 2%. Some stores go up to 3 to 4%, but on an average it's like 1 to 2%. So imagine bringing 100 people on the store and only one converts, and the one that converts is probably like $20 sale, $25. How can you be profitable? So the only way you do that is by using the proper checkout optimizations. So if you want to know more, you can check out my previous videos, and from tomorrow I will keep continuously providing more and more videos on this topic. So I hope this helps you guys. I'll see you all soon tomorrow.